Hi everyone, my name is Kristen Bang and I am the president and founder of Impact Youth.
Hey guys, my name is Michael Yang and I'm the vice president of Impact Youth.
Hi guys, I'm Sarah Zong and I'm the public relations.
Hi, my name is Peng Lao and I'm a member of the Impact Youth.
I hope you guys enjoy! In the 1700s, the Hmong who lived in the mountainous regions of southern China struggled to maintain their ethnic identity against the Chinese government. The Chinese general convinced the last Hmong king to surrender, promising him and the Hmong people that they'll be treated fairly. However, the last Hmong king and his officers ended up getting captured to Beijing and were tortured to death.
The Chinese had put Hmong people under heavy oppression, and in doing so they burned their books to eliminate their language and culture. To protect themselves, the Hmong embedded their language and culture onto their clothing and created the bando.
Later on, from 1850 to 1880, the Hmong rebelled against the Chinese for raising heavy taxes against them. And the reason why the Chinese were doing this was because they needed money to pay the British since they were defeated by the British from the Opium War. So since their rebellion was unsuccessful, the Hmong fled southwards to Southeast Asian countries such as Thailand, Laos, and Vietnam, where many Hmong still reside there today.
However, the French had already claimed these countries as part of their Indo-Chinese Empire. Hmong people rebelled against French taxation in 1920 and demanded a district for themselves to partake in their own government. The French agreed to this rebellion and supported their effort and gave Hmong people their independence.
Two head Hmong families ran for leadership over the Hmong people, and those two families were Lia Yong and Li Fong. In the end, Li Fong won leadership and allied themselves with the Americans, and Lia Yong allied themselves with the Laotian nation. During the Vietnam War, the US and the North Vietnamese created a treaty promising to keep the Laotian nation out of the war. In secret, the CIA hired Hmong men as spies for the war. In the end, when the Vietnamese had won the war, they found out about the Hmong spies and created a mass genocide against the Hmong people. Many Hmong people lost their lives and had to flee their own homeland.